There are billions of galaxies in the universe. Nobody knows exactly how many galaxies there are, but scientists estimate there are about 100 billion galaxies.
Spiral galaxies consist of a rotating disk of young stars, gas, dust, and a central bulge made of older stars. Some spiral galaxies have a center shaped like a long bar, but spiral galaxies are not the only type of galaxy. In fact, they make up only about 20% of all galaxies. Irregular galaxies do not have any particular shape. The stars are randomly scattered. There is lots of gas and dust to form new stars. About 20% of all galaxies are irregular. Some astronomers think that gravity from nearby galaxies can cause irregular galaxies to form.
Barred spiral galaxies may have two or more spiral arms. Unlike regular spirals, there are young stars at the center of barred spiral galaxies. Recent evidence suggests that the Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy.
A galaxy is a group of billions of stars, gas, and dust. A galaxy is held together by gravity. There are billions of galaxies in the new universe. Galaxies are separated together by large distances. On a cloudless night, you might see what looks like a faint band of low clouds among the stars. This is a part of our home galaxy, the Milky Way.
Most other galaxies can be seen only by using powerful telescopes. In the 1920s, astronomer Edwin Hubble was the first to study galaxies. He classified them by shape. Through his telescope, Hubble observed pinwheel-like groups of stars that he called spiral galaxies. Galaxies do not always stand still. They are always moving. Galaxies can move away from each other or towards each other. TRAPPIST-1 is a solar system that was found not too long ago. It has 3 planets in the habitable zone. Those 3 planets might even contain water. Even if these planets are habitable and may contain water, it is 39 light years away, or 229 trillion miles. That would take 4 decades to get to. This solar system was found on February 22nd, 2017.
The Milky Way was formed 13.21 billion years ago. Milky Way's constellation is Sagittarius. The Milky Way is 100,000 light years wide. There are more than 100 billion stars in the Milky Way. The Milky Way is part of a larger group called the Local Group. Until 1924, the Milky Way was the only known galaxy. The Milky Way is about 14 billion years old. Did you know that our solar system is actually orbiting the center of our galaxy? Scientists calculate that it takes between 225 million to 250 million years for our solar system to orbit the center of our galaxy. The Milky Way is named so because in the sky it has a milky appearance. Light takes about 100,000 years to cross one side to the other of the Milky Way. Andromeda is the closest spiral galaxy to the Milky Way, being 2 million light years away. It's on a crash course with the Milky Way and will crash in about 4 billion years.
After the Big Bang, which is how the universe was made, the universe was composed of radiation and subatomic particles, a particle smaller than an atom. People are still debating what happened next. Did small particles slowly group together and form stars, and eventually?
As you can see, galaxies are very cool and interesting.
Hopefully you liked this video and learned a lot of information about galaxies.